Jared, tell me what you're most thankful for in your life.
Definitely my wife and kids and my family.
My family and sobriety and getting up every day and having a job and life, man. Life.
What are you thankful for?
Family.
Tell me what you're most thankful for in your life right now.
Right now,
Yep.
say family and life and living. Going with my friends and family.
And I get to get up every day and come to True. Tell me what you're most thankful for in your life right now.
Right now, True.
Yeah.
Helping me out. I mean, Isaac, you help me out a lot.
I like it.
I mean, the company,
Yes, sir.
care about us.
I'm most thankful for my relationship with Jesus Christ, of my family and my job.
And tell me what you're most thankful for, bro.
Money.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
For my family and my job.
Erica, what are you thankful for?
Family, food, God, and my husband. And my kid.
I was gonna say, not this little beautiful thing here, huh? Hey, Miss Caitlin, tell me what you're thankful for.
Wait, gosh, I thought I was getting a high five.
I am thankful for being able to come to a job where the culture is so amazing, and I feel well taken care of. I'm grateful for the blue sky. I mean, what's not to be grateful for? We live in Florida, for crying out loud.
The opportunity where I'm at right now, having a great job, great people I work around with that I consider family now. Couldn't ask for anything better right now. Yeah, on the spot, brother.
All right, what are you most thankful for in your life?
To be living
Yeah.
and my wife and kids.
I am most thankful for the opportunities that I have put in front of me on my path to God.
Thank you, Jesus!
Tell me what you're thankful for in your life.
Family, good friends, and just to be blessed to wake up every day and be able to walk them home.
Tell me what you're thankful for in life right now, bro.
I mean, I don't know.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh man, I'm thankful for everything. Like thankful for True, giving me a new opportunity. Let's go. Yeah. Abel, tell me what you're thankful for, man.
I'm thankful for everything True has provided for me, and things are great out here.
Garrett, don't run. What are you thankful for, Garrett? What are you thankful for? I need an answer. I need an answer. Tell me what you're thankful for, man.
Man, where to start? I'm thankful for my wife, thankful for my kids, thankful for this company. I'm thankful for this office, thankful for my truck. I'm thankful for a lot of stuff, bro.
Tell me what you're thankful for.
My family, my job, my friends.
Cheyenne, what are you thankful for?
Be in this video.
Cheyenne, what are you thankful for?
But I won't be in the video.
Tell me what I think. What? The what?
Tell me what you're thankful for in life, man.
Health.
A few moments later.
Peace, happiness, joy.
I'm thankful for my father, Evan. I'm thankful for the food in my belly and the shoes on my feet.
Same. I can't put me on the spotlight. A little error. What are you thankful for? I don't know.
What are you thankful for, Chris?
My family, my job, and my church.
Like it. What are you thankful for, Danny?
For God, my family, the company I work for, and the opportunity to serve the community.
Garrett, what are you thankful for?